Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying rights. If you do not own the spotlight image, do not try to remove a watermark. Instead, request permission from the creator or find a licensed copy. This avoids legal risk. Once you have permission, make sure you also obtain the highest resolution, watermark-free source. This saves time and preserves quality. If permission is not possible, use a stock alternative or enable Spotlight Save feature when available. That keeps you compliant while achieving a clean result. You now focus on getting a legitimate, clean image. Contact the rights holder and request the original file or a license. This is often quick and grants you full editing rights. If the creator declines, search stock libraries for a licensed equivalent. Licensing clears all removal issues and supports creators. Once you have a licensed copy, make sure it matches your required resolution and format, because that avoids heavy edits and preserves image integrity for your intended use. You finish by editing only images you are licensed to modify. Once you have permission or a purchased file, perform non-destructive edits and keep originals archived so you can prove compliance. If you encounter attribution requirements, include them where required, and if a dispute arises, revert to the licensed asset and contact the rights holder to resolve it. Remember, following licensing rules prevents takedowns and legal trouble. Permission and proper sourcing are the single most important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.